When you're working all day in front of a computer, your arms can get really tight, and these little muscles through here shorten and make your elbow stiff and your wrist stiff. And this is a fantastic maneuver to open up through the shoulder, the elbow and the wrist. You have to stand up for this one, but it's not too hard. So coming up, placing your hands down, and all we're doing is we're rotating the elbow. Both hands. And one might be a little bit tighter than the other. That's normal. If it's a bit tighter, when you turn, give it a little bit of assistance and let it roll back. Turn, little bit of resistance and roll back. And you can try to do the same with your palms facing up under the armpits. A little trickier to do, but perfect for stretching out these forearm extensors.